Want unique AI wallpapers on your Samsung S25 Ultra? Let's make one in under a minute. Long press any blank area on the home screen to open wallpaper settings. Tap Wallpaper, then select Create with AI or the AI Wallpaper option in the menu. Type a clear prompt describing subject, mood, colors, and composition in one short sentence. Pick a style, photo, minimal, illustration, or futuristic, then preview instant variations. Adjust aspect ratio in detail, then press Generate and watch the AI render begin. Swipe through generated variations and tap any thumbnail to open its full preview. Use edit tools like crop, color balance, and background blur to fine-tune the image. Want changes? Edit the prompt or add modifiers and run another generation pass. Save your favorite and choose to set it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. Export at full resolution and enable daily refresh to cycle new AI wallpapers automatically. Quick before and after montage, customize, export, and enjoy a fresh, futuristic home screen.